Hey everybody, welcome back to Mixing with the Geek. I am joined with my new friends, Tom and Kelly, authors of the book, The Home Bar Guide to Tropical Cocktails, and they're back to make another cocktail. What do we have today?
Well, today we're doing the El Korero, which is a cocktail that we designed specifically for Korero Press, which is our publisher of the book.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it makes sense now, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So they wanted their own cocktail.
That's amazing. That's great.
Yeah. So
Actually, I'm thankful for it because it's very modern.
yeah,
And
I
like
think so.
that. I
Yeah.
like that.
And we got to use some product from 2 James Distillery, which does a great job with their Jamaican rum, the Dr. Bird.
Always. Yeah.
So 100 proof, a lot of funk, and we had fun with it. So I'll
We
go
did.
ahead and
We did.
we'll mix it up. So Kelly, can you do me a favor and give me some ice?
You bet. Let's get you some ice out of the mid-century.
I love this little tripod container for ice. It's wonderful.
This is like, what would you call it? The atomic ice bucket.
Atomic era.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
So we're going to go ahead and do it. We're going to start with 1 ounce of Brennivin Aquavit. After that, we'll do the Dr. Bird Jamaican rum. So 2 ounces of this. It gives that funky Jamaican hogo flavor. Pimento dram, 1/4 ounce of that. 1 ounce of lemon juice, fresh squeezed lemon juice. 1 ounce of fresh squeezed pineapple juice. 1 ounce of Monin pomegranate syrup. And 1/4 ounce of club soda. And we'll just pour it into our favorite tiki mug here. Can you give me a little more ice mounted up on there?
Yeah,
Awesome, thank you.
that's my job.
A straw down in there. Got a second straw here with my kind of springy lemon twist. Gonna put that guy across the top there. All right, so we got our delicious cherry on top. And there we have it, the El Korero. So we'll go ahead and let you take first sip.
Honors.
All right, thank you.
Hey, cheers.
Oh, yeah. That aquavit really comes through there.
Oh yeah.
And it plays nice with the pomegranate and
Yeah, it gives it-
pineapple too. Wow, that's great. Thanks for coming by. The book is, like we said, available worldwide, obviously Amazon, but if you get to, meet these two in person, they'll autograph it, like
We
my
will.
book. So cool. Well, that will do it for today. Thank you both.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. It was a pleasure. We had a lot of fun.
Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to enjoy responsibly. I'm your Vinyl Geek, and I'll catch you on the flip side.